5 people were confirmed dead and 3 sustained varying degrees of injuries at the just concluded Northeast Trade Fair in Bauchi State. The public relations officer of Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University Teaching Hospital in Bauchi confirmed the incident. Trust TV's Adamu Imam brings us details.
While confirming the incident, Usman Abdullahi Koli, the public relations officer of Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University Teaching Hospital in Bauchi, said via a telephone call that they received several casualties from the scene. Unfortunately, 2 were brought in dead on the spot with severe injuries from the head to the abdomen and died shortly after arrival. 3 others with multiple fractures are responding to treatment. Some eyewitnesses who occupied the attached shops at the trade fair lamented the destruction caused by the windstorm, attributing it to the use of substandard materials by the contractors. Yesterday, we were here at the trade fair and we saw a windstorm cover everywhere close to the Bauchi State Pavilion shortly after it started to rain. And then we had people shouting, "To God we belong and to Him we shall return." Immediately, we saw the Yobe State Pavilion building collapse. We were at our residence when we heard about the incident. We rushed over and found out that our neighbor had already died. Some people were rescued and evacuated, while 4 others died on the spot. Many people had taken shelter in the buildings because of the heavy rain, and when the pavilion collapsed, we accept it as God's will for them to die here. I participated in the rescue of the victims. 1 man close to my shop, we evacuated his corpse from the rubble. Others sustained serious injuries with fractured legs. We carried one to the hospital, but he also died, along with a man selling rubber goods nearby.
We arrived and saw people being evacuated, but I cannot give an account of what happened. However, during the construction of this trade fair, they used to hide the truth. They wouldn't allow the governor to inspect the construction, saying everything was going smoothly. Now the blame is on the constructors, honestly.
In his response via a telephone call, the State Commissioner of Commerce and Industry, Mahamud Babama Aji, who is in charge of the trade fair complex, confirmed the destruction caused by the heavy rainfall and windstorm around 8:30 to 9 p.m. on Saturday night. He added that the state government is deeply concerned about the incident and is doing everything possible to prevent their occurrence. He emphasized that it's not the time to place a blame on the contractor or any individuals. More so, according to him, the state government ordered the closure of the trade fair completely henceforth. Adamu Imam, Trust TV News, Bauchi.